get started, I must let you know that this is for educational purposes only. I'm neither a registered broker nor an investment advisor. Here's the disclaimer. I'll be right back. In this video, I will show you how to set a stop loss. Now, just for your reference, the stop loss is what we use to basically preserve or limit our loss. Okay, so this is done after the trade has been executed. So you click on the position. I'm gonna screenshot it for you. You're gonna click right there. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it, and then you click on the position right here. And then we click on close position right here, because you're setting a closing order, but it's not going to close right away. So I am changing, press using the arrows to select a stop. Now the stop is based on the options price. Okay, so I can set this to, let's say, I want to show you where the numbers I'm going to touch. I'm going to touch this number right there. So the stop is for when it reaches below a certain point. So I can set it. I'm going to go very low because I don't want to. Okay, let's say I set, and you can set it to whatever you want. So I'm going to set that stop to 245, and then just click paper trade as this is being done in the simulated trading account. And press paper trade again, which is right here. Of course, in a regular account, you would just, it would say trade. In the live account, it would say trade. Paper trade, and the order was sent. Close. So it's there. It's a working order. It's not going to be triggered unless the price of the option comes down to 245, which is the mark. Okay.